All right, we've talked about angle-angle similarity. We've talked about side-angle-side similarity. Now we're going to talk about side-side-side similarity. So again, they all are exactly what they sound like. If it's angle-angle, you're looking at two angles. If you're looking at side-angle-side, you're looking at an angle between two congruent sides. And now we're looking at side-side-side similarity. We're looking at all three sides. So basically what I like to do is I like to look at the shortest side. So I have like a 4 is my smallest one on the small triangle, and a 16 is the smallest one here. So if these are going to be similar, then there's going to be some sort of relationship between these two. So what I can see is 4 times 4 gets me 16. And then let's see if we have a similar situation, right? So what's 7 times 4? Well, that would be 20, 24, 25, 6, 7, 28, right? So that means that P and M would be similar to F and H. And then 8 times 4 gets me 32. So that means that NM is similar to FG. So when we're trying to find our answer here, it had GHF. So it was GHF. So it was the shortest side to the, or sorry, yeah, the shortest side to the second longest side. That would be shortest to second longest, which would be NPM. So just really finding a way to notate it so that you end up with the right order. So again, what I did is I put the tick marks, right? And it went GHF. So I'm going to go GHF. 3 marks, 1 mark, 3 marks, 1 mark, NPM. And let's make sure that that's what it came out to be. Check mark. There we go. All is good and green. Okay. So let's look at another one. So again, a lot of this is just finding a method to the madness. This one here, it says, given all of these things, complete the similarity statement. Okay. So I'm just going to draw it because again, I'm a visual person and my longest side is 9 and this is going to be CA. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on it as I go, right? So this is my longest side, which means it is congruent to the longest side here, which is HJ. So I'm going to draw another one over here that is going to work in the same method, okay? Then my next shortest here is BC. So that means B is going to be here, and that's going to be 6, which means my next shortest is going to be 1.5. And that's GH. So the G is going to go here, and that's 1.5. And then my shortest side is 4, and that's how they got AB. And my shortest side here is GG, right? So I have that in the right order. And then here it went ABC. So it went this way. So here I'm going to go this way. So G or J, G, H. Okay. So again, organization is really the key with this one to make sure that you're comparing it in the right order. Okay. Same concept on this one. I'm going to draw it out in the same exact manner. So my longest side is BC. And it's going to be 5, which means my longest side on this one is 25. And it's going to be HJ. Then my next longest side is CA. So it's going to go here. And that's going to be 4. And my next longest side is 15. That's GH. So that means my G is going to go here, which is 15. And then my shortest side is AB, which is 3. And my shortest side here is JG, which is 20. And it wants my similarity statement of ABC. So ABC goes this way. So it was short to long. So this one is short to long. It's going to go GHJ. GHJ. There we go. Okay, so again, just method to the madness as you're drawing it will really help make sure that you're able to compare it in the correct way. If it gives it to you in the drawings, then you just see where things compare. So BCD is the triangle that we're looking at. So BCD, it wants this right here. Here's my shortest side, so it's 9. And my shortest side here is 3. So that means it was times 3, right? 3 times 3. And then this one is 5 times 3, which is how they got 15. And then this one is 6 times 3, which is how they got 18. So I'm going to say, okay, 18 is 2. This one is 2. This one is 3. And that way it's already drawn out. And I have B, C, D. So it's 2 tick marks, 1 tick mark. And let's see, 2 tick marks, 1 tick mark. So it's going to go J, K, L. So just a way to make a order of looking at things. Okay, let's look at that one more time. So again, my shortest side is 6. My shortest side here is 3. So 3 times 2 got me 6. That means 5 times 2 gets me 10. And 6 times 2 gets me 12. And then it wants FHG. So it was FHG. It went 2 tick marks, 1 tick mark. So 2 tick marks to 1 tick mark is MPN. MPN. So I hope that helps. If you need to schedule a one-on-one, let me know. Other than that, 10 points, get more math.